the Supreme Court will indeed hear TikTok's arguments on January 10th, before a potential ban, which is likely to come into place on January the 19th. So this is all regarding it's either to divest or be banned on January the 19th, but they've managed to get the Supreme Court to hear the argument.
Yeah, of course, TikTok, since this law was first passed in a bipartisan manner by Congress and then signed into law by President Biden earlier this year, has contended that it violates the right to free speech embedded in the Bill of Rights in the U.S. Constitution. So that is the grounds with which TikTok is pursuing this appeal at the Supreme Court after having lost an appeal in the D.C. Circuit Federal Court of Appeals, which voted 3-0 against the company's argument, saying that Congress was well within its rights, within concerns over national security, to put into place this ban. So we'll see how this goes on January 10th. As you say, Caroline, it's just 9 days before this ban is set to go into effect. But keep in mind, this Supreme Court does have a conservative majority, 3 justices of which were appointed by then President and now President-elect Donald Trump, who earlier this week at a press conference in Mar-a-Lago, when asked about the TikTok ban, said that he has a warm place in his heart for TikTok, talking about how he does think it's one of the reasons why he was able to pick up more of the youth vote. And at Mar-a-Lago on that very same day this week, he met with TikTok CEO Shou Chew. So it'll be interesting to see if we hear from the president-elect on the Supreme Court's decision to hear TikTok's arguments on January 10th.